What's going on, family? It's your boy Phoenix checking in. Back over here at the BMW project. Show you some of my updates for the day. Check it out. Right now, I had to weld some supports for the radiator. The bottom of it was rusted out, so I put some metal in there. And next I got to cut that out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's rusted there. There's a few things we got to do. I'm gonna get this door lined out. I think I'm gonna have to weld add a piece here, maybe a half inch, and then work it down, because we got a nice gap when we try to put this door in. For the wing, got a few things going. We got some fabrication we got to do to this end back here, so we still got a lot of work back here. But that's bundo, so I don't really mess with the bundo area. I just do the welding part. Finish summing that up. A lot of few things. So, get my hog on today, man. Y'all be blessed.